Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. There are 620 grade 4 and grade 5 students in a school. If 35% of them are grade 5 students, how many grade 5 students are there? Now it is given that total number of students is equal to 620 and grade 5 students percent of grade 5 students is 35%. We know that percent is calculated on total number of students. So we can write percent of grade 5 students is equal to number of grade 5 students divided by total number of students multiplied by 100. Now out of these three values we are given percent. So we'll write 35 on the left hand side. 35 is equal to number of grade 5 students divided by total is given as 620 multiplied by 100. So we can simply find number of grade 5 students by solving this. So number of grade 5 students is equal to, now this 620 will go over here and multiply 35 multiplied by 620, and this 100, since this is in multiplication with number of grade 5 students, when it will change the side it will be as division. So number of grade 5 students is equal to 0 gets cancelled out, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. So what do we have? 7 into 62 divided by 2, and that is equal to 2 1s are 2, 31s are 62. So what we have here is, let's see, equal to 7 multiplied by 31, which is equal to 217. So number of grade 5 students is 270. So answer is option B.